Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about QUEST Diagnostics INC quarterly report. QUEST Diagnostics provides a wide range of diagnostic testing and services to various clients across the United States and internationally. The company's offerings include routine, non-routine, and advanced clinical testing, anatomic pathology testing, diagnostic information services under multiple brands, QUEST Diagnostics, Amory Path, DermPath Diagnostics, Exam1, Quantum Risk Assessment services for the life insurance industry, healthcare organizations, and clinicians with information technology solutions. These services are provided to a diverse range of clients, including physicians, hospitals, patients, health plans, government agencies, employers, pharmaceutical companies, insurers, commercial clinical laboratories, and accountable care organizations. The recent surge in QUEST Diagnostics Inc. DGX stock price can be attributed to a combination of factors. The company's strong financial performance, strategic acquisitions, and innovative advancements have all contributed to its growth. QUEST Diagnostics reported robust financial results throughout 2024 and 2025, with revenue increases ranging from 6.7% to 15.2%. The company also raised its quarterly dividend by 6.7% and increased its full-year guidance following strong quarterly performances. Strategic acquisitions, including the purchase of Life Labs in Canada, have expanded the company's reach and contributed to revenue growth. Innovative advancements in diagnostic offerings have also driven growth. QUEST Diagnostics has invested heavily in advanced diagnostics, particularly in areas like cardiometabolic, autoimmune, brain health, oncology, and women's and reproductive health. The company's AD-Detect blood test for Alzheimer's disease risk detection has seen robust demand, while the Haystack MRD test received FDA Breakthrough Device designation. The combination of strong financial results, strategic expansions, and innovative diagnostic developments has fueled investor confidence, leading to a 27.3% increase in QUEST Diagnostics Inc.'s stock price over the past year. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline at QUEST Diagnostics can be summarized as follows. Revenue growth is primarily driven by an increase in demand for diagnostic testing services, expansion into new customer channels, and the adoption of healthcare information technology solutions. Recent acquisitions, such as the acquisition of select assets of Spectra Laboratories, have also contributed to revenue growth. Additionally, organic growth and ventures with other companies, like Corewell Health, have contributed to a 13.5% increase in net revenues for the 9 months ended September 30, 2025. On the other hand, revenue decline is primarily attributed to lower total revenue per requisition due to the impact of the Life Labs acquisition and decreased DS revenues associated with risk assessment services offered to insurers. Net income and profit margins overview. The company's net income experienced a mixed trend over the past year. In the first 3 months of 2025, net income increased by 9.4%, reaching $259 million compared to $237 million in the same period of 2024. However, for the 9-month period ending September 30, 2025, net income rose by a more significant 15.6% to $790 million. Despite these increases, the overall net income for 2025 decreased by 66%, from $1.183 billion in 2024 to $498 million in 2025. This decline is likely due to various factors such as increased expenses or reduced revenue. Profit margins also showed contrasting trends. The operating income margin remained relatively stable at 13.7% for the 3-month period, while it improved slightly from 13.6% to 14.2% over 9 months. Conversely, the net income margin decreased in the first quarter, but rose significantly by 1.58 percentage points to 6.57% for the 9-month period. These fluctuations suggest that the company's financial performance is influenced by various factors, including seasonality and changes in market conditions. The company's financial performance indicates a significant improvement in its ability to generate cash from operations. In 2025, the net cash provided by operating activities reached $1,421 million, a substantial increase of $551 million compared to the previous year's $870 million. This trend suggests that the company is successfully managing its business and generating positive operating cash flow, which is a crucial indicator of financial health. The company's debt level and interest expenses have undergone significant changes. The current portion of long-term debt decreased by $98 million, while the long-term debt decreased by $444 million. Additionally, the debt level overall decreased from $6.1 billion to $5.7 billion. Interest expenses also increased significantly, with a net increase of $17 million in the 3 months ended September 30, 2025, and $64 million for the 9 months ended September 30, 2025. This represents an increase of $10 million and $110 million, respectively, compared to the previous year. The company's financial performance varied across different segments. Notably, the DIS business excelled in both short-term, 3-month, and long-term, 9-month periods, with significant net revenue growth. In contrast, the DS businesses struggled, recording low net revenues and segment operating income throughout the same time frames. Management is optimistic about the company's future prospects. They expect new accounting standards to have a minimal impact on results, with lower cash tax payments being a key benefit. The Invigorate program aims to deliver 3% annual cost savings and productivity improvements through automation and artificial intelligence. The company's strategy involves further restructuring and integration efforts, as well as strategic investments and acquisitions to drive revenue growth. Recent acquisitions have contributed to revenue growth, while the Invigorate program focuses on cost savings and productivity improvements. Management is also investing in capital expenditures, with a focus on Project Nova, a multi-year project to modernize business processes and information technology infrastructure. Overall, the company's outlook appears to be focused on achieving operational efficiency, driving revenue growth, and investing in strategic initiatives for long-term gains. The company has a history of returning value to its shareholders through both dividend payments and share buybacks. In recent years, it has paid out significant amounts in dividends, with totals reaching $263 million in 2025 and $247 million in 2024. Additionally, the company has been actively buying back shares, purchasing 0.9 million shares for $150 million in the 9 months ended September 30, 2025. Concerns about inventory buildup or supply chain disruption are evident in the company's recent financial performance. A significant increase in requisition volume by 12.5% suggests a surge in demand, while organic growth indicates that this trend is not solely driven by external factors. Furthermore, capital expenditures have risen to $144 million, which may be an effort to mitigate potential supply chain issues and ensure timely delivery of goods. These indicators collectively point to potential challenges in managing inventory levels and maintaining a stable supply chain. That concludes the financial summary for QUEST Diagnostics Inc. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.